Good morning, students. How are you all? I think so. You are fine. Yes? Okay. Now, with the second term, our first lesson we are going to start. That is lesson number 7, designing the document. Now, when you are saying the word design, okay, means you are drawing any picture, okay, or border or anything else. Yes? Suppose if your birthday card is there, if you are writing only the text happy birthday, is it looking more presentable? No. But when you will draw the border, if you will draw the cake or any balloons, pictures, okay, besides that, then it will be more presentable, or you can say more attractive. So here also the same thing is there. Okay, now you can add a borders and shadings, themes. You can change the page color, alignment, or you can add a watermark also. Now first thing, borders and shadings. Now see, you can see here the picture I had shown you. Yes. Now it is the features that enable you to add a borders and shadings to the text or to the page. Now why it is given like that, or why I am telling like that, that to the text or to the page. So whichever portion, if you are selecting the text or a sentence or a one word, it will come to that particular thing which you have selected, sentence or one paragraph or two paragraphs. Or if you want for the whole, then you have to select the full text, okay, and then you can give the borders and shadings, so it will get applied to the full paragraph, full whatever you have written for that. Correct. Now how do you apply? Okay, now see here in the design tab, where you will get this option in the design tab, page borders, and after clicking on the page borders, you will get a drop down, or you can say dialog box of borders and shadings. See, you can see here borders and shadings. After that you will get three options here. First option is border, second is page border, and third is shading. Correct. Now first thing we'll look, now borders. Now borders are for what? For the text, okay, or the sentence, or for the selected text, or the whole paragraph. Page border, now here page border you can give in the line way also, line style also, or you can see here down, see art is given, so you can click on the arrow here besides that art, and you can click there also for your page border, or you can give the simple line also, or you can select the style of line also with the help of the color. If you are giving the line style, correct, you can change the color of the line style also, and the width also of your line. Okay, see width from, you can change it from here, width. And if you are giving the art, then you have to click here on this arrow, correct. So you will get different types of arts which are there already, okay, in this, correct. And then press the OK button. After pressing the OK button, you will get, see now you can see here the preview also, see where you can see the preview here. So after getting that preview, see on this first page, same border style here art style you have got. Correct? Yes. If we are giving the line, then the line will come. Okay. So it's up to you that what you have to select. If you have to select the art or if you have to select the line. Correct? And that same preview you can see here besides that style, and see you can see a previous written. Okay. See, I had shown here, I had selected this paragraph and I had given the line style of double line. Okay, shadow line. So I had given the color red. So it has been changed to red color. My line border has been changed to red color. Example of page border. See here also I have shown there also. In this second example also I have shown that this is my page and I have given the box page border. So it has been come to full document. Correct? Yes? Understood till here? Okay. Now in that only our second part is there, that is you can say as a shading. Okay. Now what is the shading? Shading also is what? Now in that third option is there shading. Okay, so you will get different shadings, patterns also. Where you will get that pattern? See, patterns are written, styles. Besides these styles you will get this arrow. You have to click on that arrow, you will get the style. Now which style you will get? You will get a dotted styles, checks, squares. Okay, so there are different styles and you can choose the colors also from here. Okay, and then press the OK. Now for which part it will come? It will come for the selected text, or if you are selecting the full paragraph, full document, so it will come for the full document also. Or if you want to give different shadings, so according to that you have to select the text, 5 lines, dotted lines, 5 lines pattern or a different pattern. So you can select it and give different shadings also. See, here is one example of shading. Okay, here see, you can see it has been came in the dotted lines and the color is there. Okay, whichever color you will choose, that color will come and you will get the style whichever you have selected it. Okay, now next comes the themes. Now what is the themes? Document themes. Okay, it matches the font colors, graphics, etc. Now here there are some inbuilt themes which you can apply directly when you are opening the Word. Okay, in the first page only you will get the themes. If you want to select directly the themes, you can give it directly. So whatever the fonts are there inbuilt, or you can say the color, okay, you will get directly the themes. So where is that option? Or you can say in the design tab. Okay, in the document formatting group. Which group? Document formatting group. You will get this theme option. Okay, these are some themes here. Okay, whichever theme you will select, that theme will be applied for your whole document. Okay, see, so I had selected this one. Okay, so directly whatever text I written, that color has been changed. If I had taken the first one, blue one, so blue color will come here, and according to that whatever theme is there, according to that theme will come there. Okay, so this was an example of theme. correct. This is basically used for, you can say, for the office purpose. Otherwise you are, for daily use you are using the blank document only. And afterwards if you want to change, you can change the page color and watermark. So that you will learn in the next continuation lesson of designing the document. Okay, thank you for today.